Here's one of my captures.
Yeah, whatever.
There. My other one is up here.
Hola.
Can the camera see you?
Yeah, it's like right in front of my face.
That's another one. And here I am, captured in this base, except I still have a knife and a pistol and mags and all that stuff, so.
What, you still have weapons?
Yeah, you want them?
Ah!
Here, you want them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, apparently we do. Ackley, throw it up. No, I'm just kidding.
No, that's my pistol.
Here.
That's my, like. And, oh!
Hit!
Shit! Oh, shit. When do you respond? How long do you have to wait?
I don't know. Early, I got hit. What?
Hey, that great intel, Austin.
Hold on.
I almost
What?
got hit.
What, Riley? What? Okay.
Just don't tell them.
Oh no, those trees. I'm alive again.
Where are they at? Like, seriously. Where did that fire come from? What? Do you know where that fire came from? We just got, like, fucked up.
Yeah, I know where he is. I can fire at him.
Where?
Fire at him!
He's not. Fire your gun in the air.
Hey, Spencer.
Yeah.
Remember which way I have to turn it? Turn the hop up on?
Forward towards the barrel.
That's the hop up on to make it hurt more?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, dude, he's right below us.
Where?
It's right below us. I just saw Nate's head pop up. Oh, shit. Ah, I'm hit. Prisoner's hit. Prisoner's hit.
You can sit there and tell me that didn't hit you? And plus,
Dude, right there, right there. Where'd he hit you at?
you know, ricochets don't count.
No.
No, it bounced off the ceiling.
Oh, wait, it ricocheted and hit me.
Rackamar, are you straight out for me?
Nate, where's Ethan at? Like, seriously.
I was sitting there watching y'all for like 5 minutes. I called you on the phone. And I was talking to you while I was sitting like right over there.
Nice.
Like under the base.
Yeah, they captured me.
I have a knife.
Yeah, it's mine.
Austin.
Ow, ow!
What?
He not killed me.
Hey, was I shooting at you over there?
What?
Did I shoot at you, Austin?
Only hit me once on my leg.
No, when you over there.
Yeah, dude, we received
No,
a fuck ton of fire from over there.
Riley, he's straight out from us.
You might move. I'm trying to think this is more safe because we designed it for up here to be like a safe haven.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds cool when he shoots.
Wow.
Riley, I got movement at 12 o'clock low.
These pins work anymore?
What? No.
No. I was gonna paint an X for where the pin is. Dude, you snuck up good.
I knew it was there. Dude, I was aiming just a little high on the side. Oh, fuck. I saw his head, dude. I didn't know if that was a tree or something, so I shot at the tree and it was him. Riley, I win.
I need some
What do you need, Riley?
duct tape.
Oh, no, I don't have any.
Some kind of tape.
I got some.
Here, pass it up.
Here.
Yo, each have 2 respawns.
So Ethan, you're out.
That other kid has another life.
I'm secretly on y'all's team, okay?
Hurry up, I need tape.
Okay, I'm trying. I think I still have it.
Yeah, but this is our base, so I was like, I'm out.
Oh shit, Nate has the AK.
No, we don't.
Oh shit,
We
yeah.
got one
Nate's-
respawn.
No, I don't have any tape with me, dude. I
The
lost it.
tanker's got 2 respawns,
hey,
and
where
the
is it
defender only
though?
got 1.
It's back at my house, like my grandma's house.
Oh,
Dude, you're out.
Win.
Can you run back to my house and ask for an electrical tape? Run back to my grandparents' house and ask for some electrical tape. I need
Because
it.
you would
for
have
my
another
battery.
respawn.
What happened?
Because you could respawn one more time.
You guys were shooting right above my head.
I know.
Dude, you hit me. You hit
Dude,
me.
I saw you. I'm just like, Riley, the trouble got low, and I'm like, fuck it. How am I not hitting his ass? I'm just like,
Your
wait,
battery
it's
fell
not
out?
a tree.
Your battery fell out?
I need some E-tape. Battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that was good.
Hey, here.
You're gonna be good when you snipe, dude.
Open this up, and in that top pouch, there should be some E-tape in there.
Hey, Austin, I think we have some.
In here.
Here, watch out. Let me
Hold
get
on, I'm trying to do something real quick.
it. I got it. I got it.
That top one, I'll try to do a little bit.
Hurry up. I heard him. Some to the left.
Here.
Me and you are just watching.
Dude, he took and shot up in here, dude.
Dude, hey, I just saw his
Hey, which
head.
one of y'all is using an electric, like a fully automatic?
Dude, hey, you don't get full. Hey, Ethan. Ethan.
Hey, which one of y'all is